Hi, my name is Audrey. My pronouns are she, her, and hers, and I live in Husky Village. I chose to live in Husky Village because I knew a couple of people in Greek life and I knew that they loved living up here and they got to meet so many new girls, and I thought that it would be a great experience. I wanted to make sure that I had a roommate who I would get along with and we had similar living styles, and I reached out to a girl on Facebook and we actually ended up rooming again this year in Husky Village, which was really great. So probably just finding someone that you could kind of stick with through all the ups and downs was a pretty good part of college. Specifically living in Husky Village, I really enjoy it because not only am I around all the girls of my sorority, but I'm also living around all the other people who are in Greek life. I think living on campus is a really great opportunity that everyone should take advantage of because it's a really good way to get your foot in the door of starting to live on your own without having to fully be on your own in an apartment or a house. And you get to meet so many new people and you're kind of forced to interact with other people your age and make new friends.